You know what sucks? Breaking taps. If you're breaking taps, today I'm going to show you the most efficient way to tap a hole. Now, tapping is something that we said we don't do a lot of, but there's times where tapping makes sense. So you might as well use some of the best tapping products on the market, and I'm going to show you exactly why they're the best right now. So what we have today is a chunk of 1018 steel, and we're going to do at least 50 holes, and we're going to start off by using our ADO-SUS drill from OSG. Now, on this machine, we're not going to be getting too crazy with this drill because we don't have through coolant. But we do have flood coolant, so we're going to cut our feed rate down a little bit, and we're going to be at 325 SFM and 12 thou per rev. We also have to talk about our holder. Now, this is the SynchroMaster from OSG. Now, there's nothing new about floating style holders, but OSG has come up with something that makes the floating holder even better. Now, with rigid tapping, whenever you tap a hole and you get to the bottom of the hole and the tool reverses, you're going to see a huge spike in torque. But with the SynchroMaster tap holder from OSG, what you have is a tiny little bit of play built into the holder, and this gets rid of the error between your spindle speed and your feed rate. With rigid tapping, when you do that reversal, this is where you see your taps break most often. Now, there's a lot of floating holders out on the market, but what OSG has done differently is they simplified their design. So with competitors' products, they might have 3 mechanisms that create that cushion, but OSG just has 1. So everybody knows that if a product has less parts, maintenance is simpler. So with this holder, you never need to do any maintenance. It's just plug and play. And not only that, but this holder is a fraction of the cost of the competitors' products. So there's been shops out there that I've talked to that's taken all of their rigid tap holders and floating holders, threw them in the dumpster, and replaced them with these. And that's saying something. Next up, we have our tap. Now, this tap is super sick. Not only are we going to be able to run this at a much higher surface footage, but we're also going to get a perfect chip. Now, thanks to the variable helix on this tool, we get reduced cutting forces and a stable cut. In addition, we have some very unique geometry on the spiral point that gives us a perfect chip. Now again, this is another one of OSG's tools that has a proprietary coating on it. They call it their V coating, and this is what allows us to get the higher SFM. Where with a normal tap in 1018, we might be running 60 SFM. With this tap today, we're gonna be running at 200 SFM. Anybody who's tapped a lot of holes in their life knows higher SFM means more holes per minute. If you want to learn how to design your own parts and how to program and run CNC machines, check out our website at titansofcnc.com and you can learn absolutely free. Now, this is a great machine if you need a lot of low-end torque and a lot of rigidity. And if you would like to see how this machine was actually built from the ground up, check out the video that Titan did when he toured the EMCO factory. All right, so there you guys have it. We just did 60 holes, didn't break a tap, didn't have a problem with our holder, and our drill worked fine. So if you guys are looking to step up your tapping game, check out OSG. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Also, if you're interested in buying a machine like this one, check out our website or email Keith at titansofcnc.com.